So on WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select Reading from here. First you need to set your homepage displays to either your latest posts or a static page, for which you need to select First Homepage, in which you can see only one page. If you want to add more pages, go to Pages and select Add New from it. Then select Blog Pages Show at Most. Let's select your latest posts, then next you need to set it. After that we have Syndication Feeds Show the most recent, then for each post in a feed, include, select either full text or summary. Then we have Search Engine Visibility, check this box to discourage search engines from indexing this site, and finally click on Save Changes. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select Discussion. The Discussion Settings page will open. From here you first need to make default post settings. Check Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post. Then check all these options. Then we have Other Comment Settings. Check Comment Author must fill out name and email. Check Users must be registered and logged in to comment. Automatically close comments on posts older than select days. Then Show Comment Cookies Opt-in checkbox. Then enable Threaded, Nested comments. Next we have Email Me Whenever. Check anyone post a comment, and a comment is held for moderation. Below we have Comment Moderation. Held a comment in the queue if it contains select number of links. And when a comment contains any of these words in its content, etc., you can add more conditions. Next we have Disallowed Comment Keys, you can add more conditions in it. Then we have Avatars Settings. If you select Show Avatar, then set your avatar with all these given logo options. Select the one you like. And then finally Save Changes. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select Permalinks. So here first we have Common Settings. Now go to Demo on top and select Visit Site. Once your site opened, click on a post to open. Here you can see the link of the post with date and post title. It is because here we have selected date and name. Now if we select just post name, you can custom its structure and then save changes. After that your post link will change to just name. Thank you for watching.